read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum. Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Look over here. Today's letter is lowercase letter y. Today, I will teach you its formation, sound, and vocabulary words. So let's start how to write it. Start from second line or start from red dot. Come straight down, turn, go straight up, come straight down, make a loop. It will make small y. The letter name is y. The sound of y is y. Y, y, yo, yo, y, y, yo, yo, y, y, yellow paint, y, y, yellow paint. Look over here, yak. Look over here, yak. And it's yacht. The yak stands on the shore while the yacht sails away. One time again, let's read with me. The yak stands on the shore while, yes, very good, the yacht sails away. Now, tell me, what is the color of this leaf? Yes, it's yellow. Where is the yak stands? On the shore. And what is the yacht doing? Sailing. Yes, you are right. Now it's time to rhyme. Look over here what we are going to do. Okay, imagine that you are eating yogurt and say j, 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 j. Yogurt. Do you like yogurt? I love to eat it. It's healthy food. I hope so. You enjoyed today's letter Y, its sound and vocabulary words. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.